Hello friends, welcome to my lecture on on-time delay timer and off-time delay timer. I'm using electrohydraulics for this purpose. So let us first try to understand what are these timers. In on delay timer, after the input is turned on, there is a delay before the output is turned on. And in off delay timer, after the input is turned off, there is a delay before the output is turned off. Okay, so this is how these timers work. Now let's discuss few examples of each. Uh, as far as on-time delay timer is concerned, one of the best example is air conditioners. See, actually after the mains is turned on, it takes about 5 to 15 seconds or maybe more for ACs to actually switch on. Okay, there is one more example we can cite, that is of machine tools. When you switch on any machine tool, the lubricant pump and the coolant pump start first, and then subsequently after a certain delay, actual machining operation starts. So this is how the on-time delay timers work. And coming to now off-time delay timers, the examples are cooling fans used for cooling of electric motors. Heavy duty electric motors get heated after a certain amount of working, so they need consistent cooling with the help of fan. Okay, and even after when the motor is switched off, the fan continues to run on to cool the motors. This is one example. The second example is of IC engine cooling fan. Okay, when the IC engine is switched off, the radiator fan continues to run for a certain amount of time, okay, for cooling purpose. So this is how the timers work. Now let's uh, try to demonstrate. We will build a circuit. We have taken 24 volts and 0 volts. Okay, we will take one detent switch here. Okay, and then we will take one relay here. Okay, connect this to 24 volts and 0 volts. This is indirect method of actuation, and this is first input line. So now you can choose output. Output could be anything: motor, buzzer, indicator lights. Let's choose a buzzer here. Okay, and then you will need one make switch here, which will be a relay switch. Now connect these again to 24 volts and 0 volts. Okay, this is done. Okay, now you have to name this. Let this be your S1 switch. This is relay, so name it as K. This is again a relay switch, and this is your buzzer output. Now let us see if it works. If you press this, yeah, the buzzer is getting on, correct? So this is your first output. You have actuated with indirect method of actuation. Now let us use on delay timer. So let's drag on delay timer, and then we will also need one switch here, which is again a relay switch. Okay, this is of course again K switch, because the same K switch is going to give you current in this also. This is a timer. You can change the timing to 10 seconds, and you can name it as timer T. Okay, so this is the timer we have introduced. You can have second output here. You can choose the output. Now the first output was buzzer, so let us take second output as the indicator light. Okay, and then you will again need the switch here. This will be timer switch again, not the relay switch but the timer switch. Let's connect these lines to 24 volts and 0 volts accordingly. Okay, so this is going to be your timer switch, right? And this is your light. It is showing yellow color. Okay, you can choose any color you want. Now how it works. When you press this switch, the buzzer will start, okay, and when the buzzer will start, after 10 seconds, the light will glow on, okay. First the buzzer will start, and after the buzzer starts, it will take 10 seconds for the lights to glow on. Let us see how it works. If you press this switch, see now the timer buzzer has started, the timer is on, and after 10 seconds you will see that the light is on. Yes, understood. This is on time delay. See, after uh, the input is turned off, there is a delay before the output is turned on, okay. So this is how the on time delay timer works. Now let's come to off time delay timer, okay. So we'll clear this picture, and now we'll go to off time delay. Let's again take this detent switch and a relay for indirect method of actuation, okay. Connect these lines to 24 volts and 0 volts, that is ground, okay. So this is your first input line for indirect actuation. Now you will need the off time delay timer. So this is also indicated with dark rectangle here, and you will need again the switch here, which is relay switch. Now connect these to the 24 volts line and the 0 volts line. Okay, now this is going to be K, oh sorry, not K, it is timer, or let us make it K. This is again K. Okay, now you will need the output. The output for that you will need again one switch here, which is your timer switch, and you can choose the output whatever you want. You can choose either lamp, indicator light, or buzzer, or whatever you want. Let us choose indicator light. Now connect these lines. Okay, so this is your timer switch, and this is the lamp. Okay, how it works? See, when you switch this, there is a current going from this relay through this timer, through this switch, and the light is on. Okay, but when you again press this or switch off, what happens? uh, the current will continue to be here, and it will only light will switch off after 5 seconds. Okay, this is how it works. Let us see if it works. Something is missing, so let's try to fix that. This is your let this be S1. Yeah, here the naming is not done correct. This is your timer. Oh sorry, let's make it 10 seconds and name it as T. Okay, now this is your timer. Now let us see if it works. See, now the light is on. So now if you switch off, what happens? Just see, the light will remain to be on for specified time, that is 10 seconds. After 10 seconds the light will go off. Yes, so this is how the off time delay timer works. Okay, so I hope you have understood both the concepts, on time delay timer and off time delay timer. Thank you.